Sheet Metal Fabrication Workshop, Adelaide, South Australia. This workshop-only model is a golden opportunity to tap into SA's vibrant and developing economy. Offering a potential turnover of $2 to $3 million, the buyer will be able to attract skilled labour and grow the business. The current business operates as part of the Frost Group, a leader in the commercial kitchen and bar industry. The Frost Group is retracting from the SA market, but still has customers that need access to these services. Previously known as Curtin Food Service Equipment for 25 years, this business has operated in SA for over 8 years. The business specialises in stainless steel products for the commercial kitchen and bar industry. Also offering architectural joinery products, this sheet metal fabrication workshop has an ongoing customer base. The seller is happy to advise on opportunities for the new owner to maintain and grow the business. The SA market is a land of opportunity for the right person, and this would be a very profitable business moving forward.